Mooji.
Hello.
Now I'm nervous. You said the mind don't exist, actually. It's only a thought. So something happened. I can't find my mind.
You can't find your mind?
No.
Can everybody help to find it for her?
So I feel some thoughts coming up, but I can't find my mind.
Yes.
So where that happens. I don't know what to say.
What you're speaking is true. What you're speaking is true. The world has not understood. It will not understand you. I can't find my mind. The next step after that, you know where that goes. But here that is so beautiful, because nobody can find their mind.
When I woke up in the morning, I had a feeling something has to happen.
Yes.
It was the urgency arise out of my heart. And it felt something must shift or move forward. And in the Shiva temple, I was surrendering and saying I surrender to Shiva, to Krishna, to Mooji, to Ramana, and everyone, to Jesus.
Yeah.
I don't know what will happen. So you said this small thing. I can't find my mind.
Should we put it up on missing person or something? This is so beautiful. In my ears, that is the most beautiful music. I cannot find my mind. You're here, but you cannot find your mind. Wonderful. You want it back?
No.
No. Okay, great. Yeah. Let's see if she can live without a mind. First, you are so happy about it. A little bit startled.
That's such a peace.
Yes. Where is your mind when you cannot find it?
I tried to find it, but it's a miracle.
Yes.
Really. It is so simple.
I can't find mine as well. A blessed predicament. Yes. 25 years, I can't find him.
How is it?
Very happy. May you never find it again. We must have a board up there, you know, missing minds. Last scene. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. What good fortune.